Ranking traditional makanan from Indonesia. Let's see. Wingers baba. Number 8. Let's see. Kuala Lumpur. Number 2. Very good. Pancake. Pancake delicious. Number 6. Next one. Cornell. Cornell, it's a name. It's not food. Number 9. Very good. Let me cry. Bicycle ambidextro. Number 7. Very good. Banglok. Banglok is from, I know, delicious. Number 4. Puedes. Number 10. Very good. Let me cry. Kleptoman. Kleptoman, delicious. Number 1. Kleptoman. Very good. Daddy Gugu Gaga. Number 3. And number 5 is Karkalak.